everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Cheap Pub Food Reviews. This time I'm checking out an Irish pub to check out and try their Irish breakfast to see if it's any good. So, the pub I'm going to is called Flanagan's Apple, which is in the Irish district in Liverpool. If you know where that is, comment down below. Yes, and if you've been to Flanagan's Apple, comment down below. So, obviously I've been inside already. I'm doing an intro after. But anyways, apart from that, I hope you enjoy this food review of the Irish breakfast from Flanagan's Apple. Once again, enjoy. The Flanagan Apple in Liverpool is a traditional Irish pub which serves up Irish breakfast. And the Irish breakfast I went for is basically a large Irish breakfast. And the ingredients, it's an Irish sausage, Irish bacon, and then the rest is just your traditional food. And obviously you got your Irish toast. So, the best items were the sausage and the toast. The okay items, the average items were the beans. They didn't taste like Heinz baked beans like it said on the menu. No, but they were still okay. And the egg was okay, or the 2 eggs you get, and the hash browns. The mushroom, I don't like the big mushrooms. They are disgusting. Yes, indeed. And I told them I don't want no grilled tomato. And this is the first pub I've been to that actually listened. Yes. So, this breakfast wasn't the best. I was expecting more from it. You got your traditional Irish bacon, which is very, very salty. Not for me. I've had better Irish bacon in the past. Yes, the Irish sausage was delicious. It was so juicy and tender. And easy to eat. Tender? Well, it was a nice pork sausage anyway. Why would I say tender? It was nice and easy to chew, with good flavour. What else? The toast was decent, proper toast, and it was properly toasted for once. And the butter had melted, but I was able to use it, and I liked the fact the butter had melted. But next time, serve the butter off the plate, away from the hot food, so the butter doesn't melt. So the breakfast cost $7.25 for a large. My opinion is I should have got a small because it was so much and I'm still stuffed. Any complaints about this breakfast? It was just average at best. I would give it a 7.1 out of 10. Yes, 7.25 with a drink, 10.45. Not the best breakfast I've ever had in my life. Definitely not the worst. Would I go there again? Probably not. Do I recommend it? Probably not. But it's not the worst. Flanagan Apple in Liverpool in the Irish district. Skip this one. Go somewhere else. And get something for a similar price. Or you pay 25p more and you get unlimited drinks at the place I was going to go to. But I decided on this place. And no. I couldn't see myself going back, even though I give it a 7.1. But if I want a really, really good sausage, then I may just go back, as this is the best pork sausage I've had from a pub breakfast. Yes, indeed. Absolute squiddly diddly do. Thumbs up for the sausage. Thumbs up for the toast. For the rest of it, no. And thumbs down for the mushroom. So, apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this breakfast review of the Irish breakfast. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the very next video right after this one. Bye for now. Bye. Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller. It was absolutely rancid. Disgusting. It was dreadful. Just unbelievable. Thumbs up. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes.